Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to share a flight you have found in the Wizz app. Just open the app and search flights. Let's suppose that you have found a very good one. So I'll just click on the top right corner button here, the sharing button, and here is which flight you would like to share. Click on share and select, for example, an email address where you can send the details. Click on sending icon, and that's basically it. I hope it will be useful for you. Have a nice day.